Erizoba aha kitebe kikuru kya NRM omu Kampala abarukura entebe kanisa y'okuteza akaruru omu kibiina kya NRM batandika kwakira abantu abarikwenda kwesimba ahantebe y'omuishengerokazi wa Kisoro okukwata ebendera eya NRM. Abantu batano nibo bayahandikiise Erizoba ahari 13 abayorekire okwenda kutwara entebe egi.
I, on behalf of the NRM Electoral Commission, do declare Ms. Kabagenyi Rose as duly nominated to contest for Woman MP for Kisoro District by-election. Congratulations.
Nyowenka Kabagenyi Rose ni mumanya ati ndi musya nkaba narabire member parliament in the last parliament, the 10th parliament, kandi mbire nkora na government, mbire nkora mu bitongore byinji bya government, ya Ministry of Agriculture, no President's office. So ninshaba obuhagiki, ninshaba obushagiki bwanyu kugira ngo munkwatireho
icyandetero okuza kwesimbaho no kugira ngo tandikire aho honorable sister witu the late Sarah Mateche ahiya yagarukira, kandi no kongeraho kugira ngo tulete ntunguka mu Kisoro district yitu.
Rubwo ni bucendera konka definitely ni haza kubaho muntu wagira bwinji kusinga abandi. Icyo cyo tinisa because abantu buri omwe no wakagiro wakureba mu potential, so meaning even if we are many no buturi binji, definitely the winner is there.
Cyande to kwesimbaho no kugira kiriyo mwana muto kandi ba youth ba Uganda nabo binebizibu ndi kwija nko mwana omuto wo kurira ebizibu by'abana bato, abakazi, abashije na district yona.
Aba barabura kuratera amateka no kwihare byakubasa kushazamo kwesimba kwabo.
Few candidates can be disqualified when we have evidence that you are polarizing NRM. And who will disqualify you? The same signature that has nominated you will be the same signature to disqualify you. You have never tested me, have you? You have never tested her. Have you ever tested us, the commission of the party? We look very thin on the ground, but we are very firm.
Entebe egi ekarangirwa kwetara omuntu wanyuma y'ababiri ari omuishengerokazi wa Kisoro Sarah Mateke okufa enshumi nkyehwire. Okwihandikisa nikwija kwayo Rwakatano sabite egi kandi okutera karuru nikwija kubaho 2012 no 2024 2024. Gasha kwa Jimmy Mhumza.